The last day of 2024, and we are entering the showboat. It's a New Year's Eve party in AC, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I will be vlogging the moment. So you guys, right now we are at the 2025 showboat and AC. Oh, I'm trying to find a mirror for you guys so you can see. I kept it simple. Black dress. You guys, it's that time of the month, so yeah, had to keep it all black. So cute. The showboat 2025. This is the foundation room. We're getting ready to walk in. Let's see what's tea. Let's see what's tea in here. I like this. Is it an element? Okay, guys. Let's see, guys. It's like a dark. Okay, a security. Oh. So guys, we're in the foundation room. This is one of the 6 or 5 rooms. We was in the first room where we ate. They gave us some pasta, biscuits, brownie, and chocolate chip cookies. So this is the foundation room. This is our second room. And I'm loving the vibe. Guys, that was the foundation room. On to the next room. You guys, number 2, this is the Diamond Club. Let's see the vibe. Let's see the vault. Let's see pool. I feel like it's, let's hear the song. Y'all, this is the karaoke room. They're karaoke. And it's this is so cute. Alright, y'all, this is the 3rd room. We went to Diamonds, we went to the back, what? But this is the next one. Hello, is this stamp? Oh, I like this one. Oh yeah, let's go to party. Okay, I'm fucking with this one. At 12, we gotta come in this one. I showed y'all 3 rooms, but we got 2 more rooms to go. So this is Heart and Soul, guys. But yes, we seen the ball drop. I wish y'all prosperity, love, and new beginnings. Keep God close. This is one of the rooms. Okay. Woo! Y'all in the wrong room. Y'all got to go over there. You guys, I'm officially Trump. I love y'all so much. We gotta keep going, no matter what the enemy want to put people between. The enemy want to stop what we got. Keep going. I'm telling you. Happy New Year, 2025.